So today what I'm going to show you is another salad dressing from the new McDougall Cookbook, and it is part of my salad dressing series from this cookbook. So I'm going to show you which one. It's called the honey tomato dressing, and the last dressing we did was the mango orange dressing, but this time we're doing the honey tomato dressing. Very simple ingredients. Now it calls for honey, and we are not going to use honey. We're going to use agave. So these are the ingredients you need: apple cider, agave, ketchup, and I make my own ketchup. So I will put a link to that video below as well. Some water and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. And I get a lot of comments about this. People say it's not vegan, but it is. It is vegan. This specific brand is vegan. So it's Annie's, and it's delicious. So we're going to start with our agave, and it calls for 1/4 cup, and I'm just going to eyeball it. That's about 1/4 cup right there. Then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of ketchup, just regular ketchup. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Very simple. And you're going to need 2 tablespoons of water. Now, if you want it a little thicker, you could skip this setting. Depends on how watery your ketchup is. And you're going to need about 1/2 teaspoon of our Worcestershire sauce. And that is it. And we're going to put it in a jar. You don't even need a hand mixer or blender for this. We're just going to shake it up. And that is it. And I will show you. Okay, so for dinner tonight we're having our delicious salad that I've already divvied out. And we're having leftover cheesy pasta with zucchini and some leftover steamed veggies over there. And I put some kraut on top of my salad. Nick and I, we're having rice with some steamed greens on top, and probably have some pasta. But that's dinner. Enjoy!